Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A gentle reminder to put on your earplugs as there will be use of live rounds and pyrotechnics during this event. We hope that you have a better appreciation of the firepower and strength of our army to this live firing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Army Visit Live Firing. We hope that the firing of the Leopard 2 SG did not shock you too much. If it did, we don't apologize for it, because this is what Armour is supposed to do to you. In front of you now is the next generation Hunter armored fighting vehicle. Watch as it demonstrates the Hunter's excellent maneuverability. On the turret of the Hunter is the 30mm Bushmaster chain gun that allows the Hunter to engage enemies coming from any direction. The Hunter is equipped with weapon stabilization of the remote-controlled weapon systems, allowing the vehicle to travel across undulating terrain while still engaging enemies. Before you are soldiers from 40 SAR. They are a section of armored infantry troopers. Highly trained in dismounted warfare, they are equipped with SAR-21 rifles and wearing the new load bearing system, designed for better protection and heat dissipation to be more efficient in the battlefield.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Army Visit Live Firing. I'm Lieutenant Commanding Officer of the 40th Battalion Singapore Armoured Regiment. My team and I are very happy and honoured for you to join us here today at the basic main range. What you heard just now was a single round from the Leopard 2 SG, and it's this side of the tank that you're at. You don't want to be on the other side, right? Later you'll see a pair of tanks from 48 SAR, and they'll be conducting precision gunnery and of course to shock you more. Thereafter, the Hunters from 40 SAR will perform close hatch operation and rapid firing. What you see on your left at the butt are targetries that we use to conduct our gunnery training. They are composite of advanced gunnery systems and also video analytics. Now, what you're going to see today is something we try to do every single NDP on 9th of August. But you can imagine it's a little bit difficult to fire live rounds at a Pada or the float. So we have a very special privilege here to watch this today. And in Armour, our motto is called Swift and Decisive. It is very much aligned to the mission of the SAF. And if needed, we will go out there and achieve a swift and decisive victory. So today, we hope that you enjoy the show, understand more about Armour, the Army, and what we can bring to the battlefield, indeed, to shock and awe. So have a good day, and remember, put on your earplugs. Thank you.
Thank you, CEO. The Hunter will now take up its position to pick up the soldiers before carrying on with its mission. The soldiers will now return to the vehicle. ultra-fine zoom and integrated thermal camera allows our forces to detect targets at up to 2 kilometers and conduct reconnaissance at up to 5 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, if you turn to your left at the rear of the Hunter, you will see one of the hatches of the Hunter opening, and a drone will be launched from within to conduct reconnaissance. The drone will now scout the area to identify approaching enemies.
This is official commanding. Enemy tanks have been spotted. Take firing position and destroy all enemies now. Out!
Approaching the firing platform in front of you are two Leopard 2SG main battle tanks, weighing up to 60 tons and equipped with 120 main gun, capable of target. Watch as they pick up the firing position to destroy the enemy. What you are witnessing is the coordination of the tank team as they engage and destroy the enemy.
This is official commanding. Good work. All enemy tanks have been destroyed. Move towards the right platform for your dynamic display now. Out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Leopard 2SG main battle tanks will now be brought closer to the audience. Experience the power of the V12 engine as they roar past close to you. The Leopard 2SG will now perform a short dynamic display. The tracks on the Leopard 2SG, coupled with their V12 engine, allow them to accelerate at high speed, chasing down any enemies that they may encounter. Watch as our Leopard 2SG tanks perform a coordinated maneuver across the open terrain in front of you. Similar to the Hunter, the Leopard 2SG is also equipped with weapon stabilization, allowing them to maneuver across different terrains while still engaging potential enemies from all directions.
123, this is your officer commanding. Enemy armored personnel carriers have been spotted. Take firing position and destroy all enemies now. Out.
Watch as a pair of our next generation Hunter armored fighting vehicles take up their firing position to destroy all enemies. The Hunter is Singapore's first fully digitalized platform and is designed to provide our armored forces with enhanced capabilities to operate more effectively and efficiently in the battlefield.
Multiple enemies have been spotted. Engage all enemies now. Out.
We have just witnessed the precision and coordination of our hunters. Now, they will perform a rapid fire to showcase their firepower and destroy all remnant enemy forces. You may direct your attention to the
This is your officer commanding. All threats have been neutralized. Together, we stand ready, decisive, respected. Mission accomplished. Well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our Leopard and Hunter crews for a wonderful display.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. And like with every MVP at the end, there's some fireworks and some smoke. Our hunters are also able to deploy smoke to get out of any tricky situation. And so we have a little special effect just for you.
We have come to the end of the Army Visit live firing, and we would like to take this opportunity to thank all guests, as well as personnel from 40th Battalion Singapore Armoured Regiment and 48th Battalion Singapore Armoured Regiment for making this live firing a success. As the tunnels approach the spectator stand in a short while, please